My name is Richard Sarinas. This is my wife, Leia, and welcome to our humble home. We got a three-bedroom unit because we wanted more space for us for our first home. We opted to convert it into a one or two bedroom just so that we can enjoy more space for ourselves. So that additional space allows us to have guests around. That's pretty much why we opted the three-bedroom to be converted to a one or two bedroom. So this is our foyer. This is the first thing that you'll see upon entering our unit. So living in a condominium, very useful having lots of storage spaces, which Elaine and Kim really suggested that you need storage space. So the next thing that you'll see upon entering our unit is the kitchen. So everything is really planned and neatly tucked in, so it's not exposed, diba? So malinis tignan in the house. So this is the bar. So one of my favorites is this one, the hidden bar storage, where we put in our wines, whiskeys, and the glasses when we have friends and family over. So the many details that I appreciated with Creative Spaces for this unit is what they did with the ceiling. So added these black elements overhead, but at least it gives you that industrial studio vibe. So when you enter further into the unit, what you'll see is the dining area and the living area. I have a sofa over here, and it's actually a pull-out bed. So just in case there are guests that decides to stay for the night, this is the spot for them. This is where I work from home since during the lockdown. So this is where I spend most of my weekdays working. So adjacent to the living room is the dining space. This is my beautiful wife, by the way, Leia. So yes, we were told when we moved in that the perfect size for this unit is actually a 6-seater. But then since we like having friends and family over, we opened up the space to be able to accommodate an 8-seater. Actually, pwede nga lang 10-seater. But I think 8-seater is the perfect size for this condo unit. So for the bathroom door, Creative Spaces opted for a barn door. It saves more space. It used to be that this door opens inward, but yes, given the limited spaces, they suggested that we use a barn door. So moving on to the next is one of my favorite spots in the house, a bit. They put some wooden slats to create that accent on the white background of the walls. Yeah, so here another wooden console. So that's another storage opportunity over there. So the next spot is the walk-in closet. My wife's nook, so she will take you through it.
So this is our walk-in closet, and at the same time the work from home area. So this is where I spend most of my time, given that we're still on a lockdown. And the place is very clean. It has this serene vibe, and I like how Creative Spaces made it in such a way that it looks spacious. So they added mirrors, more storage, and I like the gold handles. Yeah, gives it a very classy vibe.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you for joining us in our walkthrough of our humble home. And also thank you to Creative Spaces for making our vision into a reality. It's really been a pleasure working with them, working on our first home. So thank you, Kim and Ash.
Thank you. Thank you also for trusting us in designing your dream home. We had so much fun. And if you guys want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and see more of our projects on our Instagram page at Creative Spaces.
Don't forget to hit the bell button.